Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to our 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Challenge. We are up to day 6. So far we've covered the sun salutes and the 3 final lotuses. We can now begin to insert some filling into our Ashtanga sandwich. So coming to comfortable seated, take a few moments to center, take a nice long inhale. Exhale, relax the shoulders. And bringing the hands to Anjali Mudra. We'll begin as always with the opening chant. You may be starting to learn bits and pieces of this now. So taking a breath in. Om. Vande Gurunam Charna Ravinde Samdasht Satsva Sapara Bodhe Neshte Se Jankai Kai Mani Samsara Hala Muha Shantye Abahu Purushikaram Shankachakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvrasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim Om. So as you set your intention, gently lift the gaze. Exhale, release the hands. I'd like you to choose your base, whether you're doing sitting or high kneeling, all fours or standing. I'm coming through to standing. We're going to go through Surya Namaskar A, Sun Salute A. So coming to Samastitihi, hands by the sides, whichever base you're in. Ekam, inhale, lift the arms up. Dve, exhale, fold forwards. Remember, you can bend your knees if you're standing. Trini, inhale, lift the heart forward, keep the hands on the floor. Chatvari, exhale, take the legs back, knees down, plank or full plank position. Pancha, inhale, back bend of choice, choose what's best for you. Shat, exhale, push back into downward dog or just sink back if you're seated. 1, you need to really focus on the flow of the breath, the Ujjayi breath. 2, establish the dristi, heels, knees or navel. 3, make sure you have hold of the bandhas. 4, relax the head and shoulders. And 5, up onto the toes, look forwards. Inhale, come through, step, or jump. Exhale to fold, let the head dangle. Inhale, rise up or lift the chest. Exhale, Samastitihi, and again. Ekam, inhale, use the Sanskrit count. Dve, exhale, fold forwards. Trini, inhale, lift the heart space. Chatvari, exhale, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, back bend of choice. Shat, exhale, downward dog or child. 1. Remember, you can always bring your knees down. 2. And see where you can relax. 3. And relax around the jawline. 4. And 5. Look forwards. Supta, inhale, come through. Ashtanga, exhale, fold, head dangles. Nava, inhale, all the way up. And exhale, Samastitihi. Good, so we'll move to Surya Namaskar B. Inhale, sit back or sink back from seated. Exhale to fold, let the head dangle. Inhale to lift the heart space. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale to dog. So this time plant the left heel, right leg. Inhale, right leg, palms touch. Just lift the arms if you're seated. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale to dog. Left leg or just the arms. Inhale, left leg, palms touch. Exhale, all the way down. Elbows in. Inhale to lift, drop your shoulders. Exhale to dog or child. Even out the breath. 1, 2. Stay with the drishti. 3. Keeping those 5 principles of Ashtanga yoga. 4. And 5. Look forward. Supta, inhale, come through or lift the chest. Ashtanga, exhale, let the head dangle. Nava, inhale, sit back. And exhale, Samastitihi. Good job. So we're going to move to standing sequence. First posture is Padagunthasana. I'm going to show you some options for this. So you can stand with the feet together or feet hip distance apart. Bring the hands to the waist. Inhale, lift the chest, look up if that's suitable on your neck. And then exhale, fold forwards. So you might fold forwards, you might bend the knees, bring the hands above the knees and look forwards if being in a full inversion is problematic for you, when vertigo, heart disease, etc. If this feels okay, you can exhale, continue to fold, but keep the knees bent and just bring the hands maybe to a floor as you let the head dangle. So the belly is nicely on the thighs. That's it. Feel the upper back relax. Now another option here is to double finger loop the big toes. So take the first 2 fingers, wrap them around the big toes and then seal those with the thumbs. The elbows are out to the sides, the head dangles. From here, inhale, lift the chest, just straighten the legs as best you can. They may still stay bent, that's fine. Then exhale, draw the lower abdominals in and fold. This is Padagunthasana or hand to foot pose. I'll stay for 5. 1. So we're back to the Pinocchio drishti. 2. Off the tip of the nose and beyond. 3. If you're in this option looking forward, you just look forward, but then just let the head dangle if that's suitable. 4. Otherwise, try and draw the shoulders up towards the waist, elbows out to the sides. And 5. Inhale, look forward, so straighten as best you can. Exhale. The next option is Pana Hastasana. If you're down here, you'll slide your hands under your feet. So this is stepping the feet onto the hands, the padas onto the hastas. And then on the exhale, you'll fold, let the head dangle and take the elbows wide. If you're in the previous option, you might bend the knees and just come to caveman hands. So the backs of the hands are resting on the floor. This is all about the wrist release. If this is too much, you might lift up and bring the backs of the hands to rest on the thighs so you can look forward or just let the head dangle. Again, make sure you're getting the wrist release that works for you, that's accessible for you. 1. Steady breathing. 2. 3. Doing really well. Keep a hold of Mula Bandha. 4. And 5. Inhale, lengthen, look forwards. Exhale, bring the hands to the waist, whichever option you're in. Inhale, squeeze and lift up. And exhale, Samastitihi, hands together. We're taking it now to the final 3 lotuses. I'll take a vinyasa or come down to seated. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Remember, you can do a seated vinyasa. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale to dog. So then look forward, step, jog or jump through to seated. I'm doing a little jog through. It's kind of nice and kind on the joints. So then we'll come to Bala Padmasana. You'll remember this from day 5. So choose your seated position, whatever that looks like for you. All those options, that's it. Wrap the arms around the back. You've got a lotus, you'll try and take the toes with the fingers. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, fold forwards. 1. Still with a Pinocchio drishti. 2. This is called Nasagrai drishti. 3. So just seeing where you can release. You may already have reached your maximum forward fold. 4. That's okay. 5. Remember, you don't want to feel anything in your knees. 6. So if you do, you'll release this leg position and lift much higher up. 7. Otherwise, you can continue to fold, forehead towards the floor. 8. Really focus on the breath in the period of time that I'm counting. 9. 10. Squeeze the pelvic floor, inhale, lift up as we come to Padmasana, release the arms. Remember, straight lines of energy. Inhale, lengthen, straighten the spine, exhale, chin to chest. 1, 2, begin to really settle into the breath. 3, 4, 5. So the beauty of the sandwich approach is you can practice 6 for as little or as long as you wish. 7. So we've put 2 of the standing postures as the filling today. 8. But we always start and end like this. 9. 10. Inhale, lift the gaze. Exhale, release the Hasta Mudra. Utkriti. Remember your options here. You either try and engage or lift up. Inhale, exhale, lifting. 1. So if you're engaged, just squeeze the pelvic floor. 2. Remember you look forward, still the tip of the nose. 3. You might be able to get airborne. Just see, play around with that. 4. Strong breath. 5. You might take the option of lifting the knees. 6, really tuck in, so create that hollow body. 7, stay strong, keep going. 8, if you come down, make sure you go back up. 9, you may even try and lift the ankles to see. 10, exhale, release. Well done, ease out the wrists. And remember here you have the final vinyasa to freedom, or you can take a seated vinyasa. I'll take a seated today. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale to fold, round the back. Inhale to lift the chest, that's your upward dog. Exhale to downward dog, round the back. Inhale, you'll step, jog or jump through to seated, which point you can straighten the legs, and then we make our way down to Shavasana, the final rest pose. So stretch the legs out, open the palms of the hands. If you need an alternative position, that's fine. Take a big inhale. Exhale out through the mouth. Twice more. Big inhale. Exhale. Last one. Big inhale. Exhale. So letting go of Bandha, Dristi, Ujjayi, and the count. Settling into stillness for a few moments to absorb the practice. If you wish to stay longer, please feel free. Otherwise, bring some awareness to your breath. Now, as you deepen the breath, bring movements to fingers and toes, moving the head from side to side. And then from here, inhale, take a full body stretch. And exhale to release. Bending at the knees and the elbows. Gather the knees in. Just squeeze, have a rock from side to side until you can roll to one side. Pause there for breath. Maybe a moment of gratitude for your practice. And then making your way through to comfortable seated. Sitting tall, lifting the heart space, bring the hands to Anjali. Lift the prayer hands up. Exhale, Namaste. So thank you for practicing with me on day 6. If you enjoyed the class, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and continue this journey of Ashtanga yoga with me. Have a great day.